Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting missing carriage return character /r in request body causes 400 bad request. This error, often encountered when working with HTTP requests, particularly multipart/form data, signals that the server expects a specific format for your request's body, and a key element, the carriage return character, /r, is missing. This tutorial will delve into the causes, how to diagnose them, and provide code examples for several languages to demonstrate proper request formatting and avoid this frustrating error. Understanding the error, 400 bad request. The HTTP status code 400 bad request signifies that the server couldn't understand or process the client's request due to a client-side issue. In the context of missing carriage returns, it specifically points to a formatting problem within the request body itself. Why is /r, carriage return, important? The /r character, ASCII code 13, hexadecimal 0x0d, is a historical artifact from typewriters. It moves the print head back to the beginning of the line without advancing to the next line. When combined with \n, new line, ASCII code 10, hexadecimal 0x0a, /r/n, it creates a complete line break, signaling the end of a line and the beginning of the next. In HTTP, especially with multipart/form data requests, used for uploading files and complex data, \r/n is crucial for *delimiter separation *multipart/form data uses a boundary string to separate different parts of the request. The boundary is prefixed and suffixed with -- and is always followed by \r/n. *header termination *headers within each part of a multipart/form data request are terminated by \r/n. The end of the header section is also signaled by an empty line, which is represented as \r/n/r/n. General line endings in text-based protocols like HTTP, \r/n is the standard line ending. While some servers might be forgiving and accept just \n, strict compliance requires \r/n. Common causes of the error. 1. Incorrectly formatted multipart/form data *. This is the most frequent culprit. When constructing the request body for file uploads or submitting complex forms, the boundary strings and headers must be correctly formatted with \r/n. 2. Incorrect encoding *. If the request body is not properly encoded in the expected character set, usually UTF-8, the server may not correctly interpret the line endings. 3. Manual request construction errors *. If you are manually constructing the HTTP request string instead of using a library, it's easy to miss or misplace \r characters. 4. Incorrect usage of libraries *. While libraries generally handle formatting, sometimes their usage might lead to incorrect headers or boundary generation. Review the library's documentation and examples carefully. 5. Server-side requirements *. Some servers are very strict about adhering to the HTTP specification, while others are more lenient. A server configured for strict compliance will reject requests with missing \r characters. Diagnosing the issue. 1. Inspect the request body *. The primary step is to examine the raw HTTP request body being sent. You can use browser developer tools *. Most browsers, Chrome, Firefox, etc., have built-in developer tools. Go to the Network tab, find the request causing the error, and inspect the headers and payload sections. The payload often shows the raw request body. Look carefully for missing \r characters or incorrect line endings. Network sniffers, Wireshark, Dump tools like Wireshark or Dump can capture network traffic. Analyze the packets containing the HTTP request to see the exact bytes being sent. This provides the most accurate view. Asterisk proxy tools, Fiddler, Charles Proxy. These tools intercept HTTP traffic between your client and the server. They allow you to inspect and modify requests before they're sent. To check the content type header, ensure the content type header is correctly set, especially for multipart/form data. The header should look like this. Replace your _boundary _string with the actual boundary you are using. 3. Examine the code generating the request *. Carefully review the code that constructs the HTTP request body. Pay close attention to boundary string generation *. Make sure the boundary string is unique and consistently used throughout the request. Header formatting *. Verify that all headers, example content disposition, content type within each part, are terminated with \r\n. Line endings double check that \r\n is used consistently for line breaks in the request body. Encoding confirm the request body is properly encoded, UTF-8 is generally recommended. 4. Simplify the request if the request is complex, try simplifying it to isolate the issue. For example, remove file uploads and send only simple text fields to see if the error persists. Code examples and solutions. Here are code examples in different languages demonstrating how to properly construct a multipart/form data request, avoiding the missing carriage return error. 1. Python, using requests library. Key improvements and explanations create _multipart _form _data function encapsulates the logic for constructing the request body. This makes the code more organized and reusable. Encoding crucially, the code explicitly encodes all strings to UTF-8 using .encode, UTF-8. This is essential to ensure that the \r and \n characters are correctly represented in the request. Binary file reading the code opens the file in binary read mode, RB, to avoid any potential text encoding issues when reading the file content. Content type calculation the content _type is dynamically constructed with the generated boundary string. Content length header the code calculates and sets the content length header. This is often required by servers and helps them properly receive the request. Clearer error handling, not included, but recommended in a production environment. You should add error handling to the file reading and request sending sections of the code. Unique boundary the boundary string should be unique and randomly generated. A simple solution to generate a random boundary is to use import UUID, boundary equals UUID.UUID4.hex. 2. JavaScript, using fetch API. Explanation Form Data API the JavaScript code leverages the Form Data API. This is the recommended way to construct multipart/form data requests in the browser. It automatically handles the formatting, encoding, and boundary generation correctly. You don't need to manually manage \r\n. Fetch API the code uses the modern Fetch API for making the HTTP request. Asynchronous operation the upload file function is asynchronous, async, to handle the network request properly. Important considerations for JavaScript browser compatibility the Fetch API is widely supported, but older browsers might require a polyfill. File input the example assumes you have an HTML file input element, input type equals file ID equals my file. Asterisk server-side handling asterisk the server needs to be configured to correctly handle the multipart/form data request and extract the file and form fields. 3. Java, using Apache HTTP client. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk Apache HTTP client asterisk this example uses the popular Apache HTTP client library, which provides robust support for HTTP communication. You'll need to add the org.apache.hub-components.client5 and org.apache.hub-components.client5 cache and org.apache.hub-components.core5 and org.apache.hub-components.client5 fluent and org.apache.hub-components.client5 MIME dependencies to your project. Example in your pom.xml file for Maven or build.gradle for Gradle. Asterisk multipart entity builder asterisk the multipart entity builder class simplifies the creation of multipart/form data requests. It handles the boundary generation and formatting automatically. Asterisk charset asterisk setting the charset standard charsets.utf_8 is crucial when adding string parts to the request. Asterisk error handling asterisk the code includes basic error handling for HTTP status codes and exceptions. Asterisk resource management asterisk the code uses try with resources to ensure that the closable HTTP client and closable HTTP response are properly closed after use, preventing resource leaks. The entity utils.consume, response entity, ensures that the response entity is fully consumed. 4. C.NET, using HTTP client asterisk. Explanation asterisk. HTTP client and multipart form data content asterisk the C code utilizes the HTTP client class and the multipart form data content class. The multipart form data content class handles the complexities of constructing the multipart/form data request, including the correct boundary formatting and encoding. Asterisk encoding asterisk the string content constructor allows you to specify the encoding, UTF-8 in this case. Asterisk file handling asterisk the code uses file.openRead to open the file for reading as a stream, which is then added to the multipart form data content. The file name is also provided. Asterisk error handling asterisk the code includes a try-catch block to handle potential exceptions during the HTTP request. Asterisk asynchronous operation asterisk the post-async method is used for asynchronous communication. General best practices. Asterisk use libraries asterisk whenever possible. Use well-established HTTP client libraries, like requests in Python, fetch in JavaScript, Apache HTTP client in Java, or HTTP client in C, to construct and send HTTP requests. These libraries handle the intricate details of request formatting and encoding, reducing the likelihood of errors. Asterisk follow the HTTP standard asterisk adhere to the HTTP specification, RFC 7230 and related RFCs, when manually constructing requests. Pay close attention to line endings, headers, and encoding. Asterisk test thoroughly asterisk test your code with different servers and scenarios to ensure it handles various responses and edge cases gracefully. Use debugging tools to inspect the request body and verify its correctness. Asterisk check server logs asterisk if you have access to the server's logs, examine them for more detailed error messages that might provide clues about the problem. Asterisk keep libraries up to date asterisk use the latest stable versions of your HTTP client libraries to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements. Troubleshooting checklist. 1 is the content type header correctly set to multipart/form data, boundary equals your _boundary_ string, is your _boundary_ string the actual boundary you're using? 2 is the boundary string used consistently throughout the request body. 3 are all headers terminated with \r\n. 4 are all line endings within the parts terminated with \r\n. 5 is the request body properly encoded, UTF-8 is generally recommended. 6 is the content length header set correctly to the length of the request body. 7 are you using a library to construct the request? If so, are you using it correctly, according to its documentation? 8 have you tried simplifying the request to isolate the problem? 9 are you handling the file upload correctly, opening the file in binary mode, setting the correct content type for the file? 10 if the problem occurs in a browser application, have you checked for cross-origin, CORS, issues that might be interfering with the request? By systematically addressing these points and utilizing the code examples, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the missing carriage return character \r in request body causes 400 bad request error, ensuring that your HTTP requests are properly formatted and accepted by the server. Remember to always inspect the raw request body to confirm the presence and correct placement of the \r\n characters. Good luck.